hogging today, or brush hogging as they call it in the United States. I'm going to cut this bit of field here that's gone overgrown. It's mainly reeds and long grass where it hasn't been grazed. The bottom end of the field's got a couple of horses on it grazing, so it shouldn't be too bad down there. This is the machine I'm going to be using. It's a Fleming 5-foot width cutting topper, so it's pretty heavy duty. Got it on the quick attach A-frame, so that makes it easy to pull it on and off. This 5-foot width cutting topper is ideal for cutting small paddocks. What I'm doing here is keeping the centre of the bonnet on the line between the cut and uncut material, so that I'm overlapping slightly as I'm going round. You don't get the full 5 foot because you're overlapping each time. So when I start the job, I go around anti-clockwise, do one lap around the field, and then turn around and do all the other topping clockwise then, so that the mower is slightly offset. About halfway through this topping job, the shear bolt's broken on the rear of the PTO shaft, so I'm going to show replacing that in a minute. I hadn't realised there's actually different grades of how hard the shear bolts are, so I've bought some new shear bolts since, which are slightly harder grade, so hopefully they won't break quite as easily, because they are designed to break when you hit a stone or a hard object, to protect the mower and the tractor, the gearboxes and the blades and things. So, I've had a few break recently where they've just been breaking without hitting any objects or anything, so they're just a bit too brittle. Quick repair job here now. The shear bolt's gone on the PTO shaft. Not that I've hit a stone or anything, but occasionally they just decide to go brittle and snap. If you do hit a stone, then that's what they're designed to snap, so that you don't damage the gearbox on the mower or on the tractor end. Recently these shear bolts seem to be breaking a bit too easily without even hitting anything. Got a spare one here. Quick job. .13mm spanner, 2 of them. Together now. Alright, that's fixed. Don't even attempt something like that with the tractor running. And I'm back topping again after about 3 minutes. So it's quite a quick job to do. As long as you've got spare shear bolts and a couple of spanners, then you're sorted. You're always going to miss a few little bits of grass here and there where the tyres have flattened the grass that much they're not going to pop back up. But that's always going to happen with a rear mounted mower anyway. So that's looking a bit neater. We'll need doing again in a couple of months to keep it down.